This video is going to explain how you can use shares that you already own as collateral so as to open new CFD positions in Forex, indices, commodities or other stocks. Hi, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212, taking a look at collateral. Now the advantage of using shares as collateral is that it allows you to put to work the money that would otherwise be tied up in owning these shares, using part of their value instead of having to deposit initial margin for your CFD positions without liquidating the shares. So let's have a look at how this works with an example. So let's say that you have a holding in Marks & Spencer that you bought through Trading 212's share dealing service, and you're intending to take a long-term position in Marks & Spencer's. So your money is tied up in this investment, but you also want to take a short-term position with Trading 212 on the UK 100 index as a CFD. Now, normally that would require you to deposit cash as initial margin against that position. And what you can do instead is to use part of the value of the Marks & Spencer shares as collateral. Now basically Trading 212 applies what is known as a haircut, and this looks at the current value of your shareholding and says a portion of that value can be used as collateral. Now how much that is depends on how liquid the shares are. Now currently this varies between 75%, 90% and 95%. So something stable and liquid and blue chip like Marks & Spencer's would be on the higher end of that scale. Now you have to be aware that if your CFD position moved against you, you would still have to ensure that you can fund your account adequately. Because if you don't meet your payment obligations for your CFD positions, it could result in your shares being sold by Trading 212. So make sure you check the terms in the client agreement so that you know exactly how this all works. So that's just a quick look at using shares that you own as collateral to take new CFD positions. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. If you want to carry on the discussion, send us some feedback on what you think on the subject. Drop us a line in the comments section. We do go through and read all of those that come in there. And we actually cover a lot more videos on a wide variety of subjects, other topics. The best way to access those is to subscribe to our channel. And we've got new videos coming out on a regular basis. We'll have some more coming out in the very near future. If you click the alarm bell, then you'll get a notification the next time that we put out a new video. Well, that's all from me for now. So it's goodbye from me, Peter Martin with Trading 212, and I wish you the best of luck with your trading. Till next time, see ya.